Welcome, and thank you for visiting IP Septum. This is how you install Windows Sandbox. Press your Windows key and type Turn Windows Features. Select it from the menu. Scroll down to Windows Sandbox and select it. Press OK. Your machine should prompt you to restart it. To run Windows Sandbox, press the Windows key. Type Windows Sandbox. Select it. Now that we have loaded Windows Sandbox, let's make sure it works. I am going to install CC Cleaner. Great, it works well. Now you can run any application that you wish and not worry about a virus infecting your machine.